Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a full song using only 3x Oscillator. It's a stock synthesizer in FL Studio. At the beginning, this synthesizer sounds like this. As you see, there are 3 oscillators in the synth. And what I'm gonna do is turning this to this. Okay, I should tell you all the effects are stock plugins in FL Studio. For each sound, you will see the adjustments and knobs. You can pause the video if you need. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification to see more videos like this. Okay, let's go. The first sound is arpeggio. For sound designing, you should be familiar with these 6 parameters. I have another video, I recommend watching that first. Now with effects. This one is combination of 2 sounds. I use layer for this. You can press show children to see the sounds. It's one of them. And the other one. With effects. This one is the bass. And with effects, and the next one is the pad. And with effects, next one is the lead melody. With effects, and next one is the kick. After Effects, and the clap. After Effects, the next one is hi-hat. And with effects, and this is the crash. With effects, the next sound is reverse crash. With effects, this one is sub bass. With effects, now sidechains. I recommend watching my other video about sidechain. Now all of them with their influences. And the next noises. Recording in Edison with lots of effects over and over, changing pitch and tune and scratching them, recording again and again, and finally chopping and putting them in the song. Last one is the only sound that I didn't make with Trix OSC. It's a vocal from FL Studio's basic pack.
Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
And here we are, a full song by Trix OSC. I hope you find this video useful. Please leave your comments below and also tell me what kind of content you're looking for. Thank you so much. Bye for now.